Alrighty, everybody. Now that the differentials are done, I still got to make up a couple more things, but I'm going to do that as I install the wheel assemblies onto the frame. So we'll move on to the next step, which would be consisting of the front chassis assembly. We're going to start off with the servo, a couple pieces, a couple braces, some bearings here. So first thing we have to do is looks like we're gonna have to put the servo into its spot here. No, I'm using a high-tech digital ultra torque servo here. Now, in the meantime, it's probably my... No, you can do it. I was thinking about putting the bearings in, but it looks like we have enough room, and I did install it already, one on that side and then one on the inside here. Fit that right on over it. Pretty good there. Alright, now let's see what kind of screws they call for. They call for some M312. Alright, now minus the two bearings here and here. This side's pretty much done. Make sure we have enough room in here that it'll turn. Nice. Real nice. Okay. Set that off to the side. Let's grab the next few pieces here. Looks like bring our going to the box. So it looks like we're gonna need oh boy. Okay, looks like we're gonna need one of those and one of those, and then we're gonna get one of those. Eights, okay. We got plenty of those. Beautiful. Alright, so now what we're going to do, okay, we're going to take this side here. We're going to take this one here and adhere it to here. that goes. Alrighty, so now looks like we mount this onto here. Like so, you know what? Let me okay. Cleaned up here, so now we're gonna continue with some M38s here. Alrighty, and we're gonna use this one. This one. Be a little tricky here. Get the right angle of attack here. There we go. Alright, what I'm going to do is actually replace these two bottom ones with a self-tapping screw instead of a bolt. It seems to grab this a little bit easier, a little bit better. There we go. There we go. Now I have confidence in that now. Okay. Boy, she's looking good. Yeah. Alrighty. I believe that is it with this part here. Okay, hold on. We still got a couple more. Oh, okay. Looks like we got a spot right here and a spot right there linking them together that we're looking for a 3M by 10 millimeter screw now. Alright, now it looks like we gotta take part of the lower bumper and the skid plate and use some M3 8s. No, M2 8 screws. Do I even have those? Alright, I'm just going to do a quick finish up on this here. I'm not even going to do any audio with this, but I think I can just mix it in. So here we're just going to put the front skid plate on, and then that should be completed with, this should be it with this. Alrighty, and that's it for the first chassis. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that concludes part 2 of the articulated dump truck, the front chassis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys got any questions, just let me know. Leave a comment down in that little comment section down below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. So the next build is going to be the rear chassis, and then the final build is going to be the full build. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited. Can't wait. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, keep on our scene.